Brothers, let me ask you something honest. Have you ever liked a woman so much, but never found the courage to tell her? You held your feelings inside, afraid of rejection, afraid of making things awkward. Then, months later, you discover she actually liked you too. She gave subtle signals. She dropped small hints. You miss them. Regret sets in. You think, if only I had noticed earlier. This scenario is common in school, college, the workplace, and even as adults. Men often miss these signals because women rarely express attraction directly. They communicate through small gestures, body language, casual questions, and consistent patterns in behavior. These cues are often easy to overlook if you are not paying attention. Understanding these signs is not about manipulation or cheesy pickup tricks. It is about observing calmly, recognizing genuine interest, and responding appropriately. It helps you act with awareness instead of anxiety and respond without overreacting or appearing needy. Today, we will break down 7 proven signs that a woman is secretly interested in you. These are practical, reliable cues from psychology and real-life patterns. Learn them, notice them, and you can understand attraction before it passes unnoticed. Let's begin. Sign number 1. Proximity. She wants to be physically close. One of the strongest and most reliable signs of attraction is proximity. When a woman likes you, she will naturally want to be around you, close to you. Think about it. People gravitate toward those they value. If she sits next to you when other seats are free, if she lingers near you during conversations, or if she chooses to walk beside you in a group, that is not chance, it is intention. Female psychology shows us that closeness signals comfort and desire. She feels safe. She wants your attention. She wants your energy. Being physically near you is her way of expressing silent interest without using words. From a Stoic perspective, never assume too quickly. Presence can mean attraction, but it can also mean habit or convenience. Observe calmly. Notice consistency. Does she repeatedly move closer even when there is no practical reason? Does she place herself within your space when others keep distance? If yes, that is a strong signal. Your job is to recognize the sign without overreacting. A calm mind reads reality clearly. If her proximity is constant, it is a clear green light. Sign number 2. She finds topics just to talk with you. Think back. When you like someone, you try to keep the conversation going. You look for ways to connect, to stay engaged. Women behave in the same way when they are interested. If she keeps asking questions, even simple ones, that is a signal. If she brings up random topics, shares small stories, or starts light discussions that don't matter much, she is investing energy to connect with you. These actions show she wants your attention and enjoys the interaction. Psychology research confirms this pattern. People naturally extend conversations with those they are attracted to. They avoid silence because silence feels like distance. When she actively works to keep dialogue alive, it indicates genuine interest. Notice the consistency. Does she initiate talks over messages, calls, or in person? Does she bring up topics just to hear your thoughts or reactions? Repeated effort is a reliable sign. Recognizing this sign helps you respond wisely. Stay engaged and attentive. Ask questions back, and match her effort without overdoing it. When you respond with calm interest instead of pressure, it strengthens the connection and signals that you are equally invested. Sign number 3. The real smile, not just polite. Not all smiles are equal. There is the polite smile you give to strangers. There is the quick, nice to meet you smile that is more about manners than emotion. But when a woman truly likes you, her smile is different. It lingers. It carries warmth. Her eyes soften and sometimes even sparkle. Psychologists call this the Duchenne smile, where genuine happiness shows in the muscles around the eyes, not just the lips. If you notice that she smiles more when she talks to you compared to others, that is not random. It shows you trigger a positive emotional response in her. Pay attention to the frequency and intensity. Does her face light up when you arrive? Does she hold eye contact while smiling? These are signs of attraction, not politeness. A real smile also lowers defenses. It shows comfort, trust, and joy in your presence. Many men confuse a quick social grin with interest, but the real sign is consistency. If her smile keeps appearing when you are around, you have a strong clue. This kind of smile is one of the most reliable signals of genuine attraction. Sign number 4. She gets nervous around you. Nervousness is one of the clearest signals of attraction. When emotions rise, the body reacts automatically. Heart rate speeds up, breathing changes, cheeks flush, hands fidget. If she likes you, these signs often show. She might play with her hair, adjust her clothes, or touch her jewelry. She could stumble on her words or laugh at moments that are not even funny. These are not signs of weakness. They are physical cues that her emotions are engaged. Studies in psychology link nervous behaviors with heightened adrenaline. The same hormone that drives excitement also fuels attraction. That is why her body reacts when you are near. She is not in full control of it, which makes the signal more reliable than words. Watch for patterns. Does she act calmer with others, but slightly restless with you? Does her tone shift, her movements become more self-conscious, or her eyes look away quickly before returning? If yes, that is strong evidence of interest. The key is to notice without pressuring. If you remain composed, she will slowly feel safer and more comfortable around you. That calm balance will make her attraction even stronger. Sign number 5. She's curious about your life. Most people will not ask about the small details of your day. They may keep conversations surface level, quick, and polite. But when a woman is interested in you, her curiosity goes deeper. She asks questions like, "How was your weekend? What do you do in your free time?" Or "What kind of books or movies do you like?" These questions show attention. They are her way of opening the door to know you better. Female psychology shows that curiosity is a form of investment. Attraction shifts her focus toward you. She wants more information, not because she needs it, but because she feels drawn in. The more she learns, the more connected she feels. Pay close attention to the scope of her curiosity. Does she ask about your hobbies, your passions, your friends, or even your goals? That is not small talk. That is her brain signaling that you matter. She wants to place you inside her world and imagine where you could fit. If her questions are frequent and specific, take it as a reliable sign of interest. Genuine curiosity is hard to fake. It almost always means she wants to move closer. Sign number 6. Compliments that go beyond normal. In everyday interactions, genuine compliments are uncommon. Most people keep praise minimal or generic. When a woman gives you compliments frequently, it signals more than politeness. It signals attraction. She may notice small details, the way you dress, how you speak, your energy, or even your mindset. The compliments do not have to be dramatic to matter. Simple observations like, "That color looks good on you," "You explain things clearly," or "You have a calming presence," carry weight. They show that she is paying attention and appreciating your unique qualities. Psychology confirms this pattern. People naturally reinforce what they value. If she wants to see you happy, respected, or confident, she will express it through words. Compliments become a subtle way of connecting and expressing her interest. Notice the consistency. Occasional praise can be casual, but repeated attention to details, paired with warmth in her tone, signals genuine feelings. The key is to receive her words without overreacting. A calm, confident "thank you" acknowledges her effort and maintains your presence. That simple acknowledgement strengthens attraction while keeping the interaction natural. Sign number 7. She makes time to see you. Time is one of the most valuable resources anyone has. Everyone has busy schedules, commitments, and responsibilities. If a woman is consistently making time for you, it is a strong sign of attraction. Consider her actions. Does she reschedule other plans to fit you in? Does she show up even when she is busy or tired? Does she suggest meeting up or spending moments together? These behaviors indicate that she prioritizes you over other demands. Human psychology shows that people naturally allocate their time to those they care about. Friendship alone rarely motivates repeated effort. When she actively seeks your presence, it means she values the connection and enjoys being around you. Notice patterns over time. One isolated gesture may not carry much meaning. Repeated efforts, consistent communication, and initiative to meet signal genuine interest. Her willingness to invest time reflects her desire to connect, experience your presence, and deepen the relationship. Recognize it, appreciate it, and respond in kind without overextending yourself. Mutual investment builds respect and strengthens attraction, creating a foundation for a meaningful connection. Brothers, here's the reality. Not every woman will show all 7 signs. Sometimes it is just 2 or 3, but even a few signals can indicate genuine interest. The key is observation, not obsession. Don't overanalyze every smile, every word, or every gesture. Focus on patterns. Look for consistency over time. Pay attention to actions more than statements, because actions rarely lie. If you notice proximity, effort to converse, real smiles, nervousness, curiosity, compliments, or her making time for you, the chances are high that she is interested. Each of these signs alone carries weight, but together they build a clear picture. Respond with calm confidence. Respect her space. Match her energy without chasing, and maintain your own purpose and discipline. That balance is magnetic. It shows self-respect while keeping attraction alive. Don't ignore these signs. Don't let fear or hesitation turn into regret. Learn to recognize signals early and act wisely. Have you ever missed these signs before, only to realize later she liked you? Share your experience in the comments. I read every story. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, share with a brother, and subscribe for more insights on Stoicism, psychology, and dating wisdom. Stay grounded, stay aware, stay confident.